Welcome everyone to our great session of Infinity Research and Innovation Center. And our topic is today Mastering Research Paper Writing, a step by step guide. And today it is our one of the main session of Infinity Research and Innovation Center because nowadays research paper writing is an essential criteria to get an scholarship. So welcome everyone. Today I will guide through the process of writing a research paper. Whether you are new to this or looking to improve, this session will provide you with the tools and the strategies you need. Let's get started. And here is the objective of our session today. We'll cover the entire process research paper writing for selecting a topic to final submission. By end you will feel more confident to tackling your next paper. Now here comes the structure of a research paper. A research paper has a standard structure that ensures clarity and consistency. Each section has distinct response, purpose. For example, that introduction set the stage while the methodology explains how you conduct your research, and understanding the structure is critical and writing effectively. Now comes the choosing a topic. It is a very important part of this research, beginning with a broad idea, narrow it down to focused research questions. It's essential to ensure your topic is relevant and feasible and aligned with your interest. Don't forget to check the availability of your resources early on. Now comes the conducting research. Conducting through the research from backbone of your papers. Use reliable source as academic journal and books. Tools like Zotero can help you organize your reference. As your research, take details note and critical evaluate your findings. This steps is very essential to identify the gap in the existing research and your paper that you can address. Now comes the draft of your paper. With your research complete, it's time to draft your paper. Start with the outline, ensure your ideas flow logically, write a strong thesis statement to guide your work. Each section should build on previous one, and remember to back up your alignment with solid evidence. Proper citation is essential to avoid plagiarism. If your paper is more than 25% in plagiarism, your paper will be never accepted. So you must keep it down below 25. Now comes the revise and editing section. Revision and editing are just as important as writing. Review your draft for clarity and coherence and check grammatical errors. Follow required format style, whether it's APA or MLA or another. Feedback from peer or mentors can evaluate your research paper, and this is a very important. Revise truly therefore submitting your final paper. Next, here is the writing tips. Here are some tips that you make your paper more smoothly. Start early, give yourself ample time. Write manageable chunk every day. Use tools and check for plagiarism, and stay focused and aim your concise, active writing to make your paper engaging and more clear. And finally, completing your paper. After completing your paper, before submitting, review the guideline carefully. Ensure the compliance procedure meticulously and each formatting one of the last time. Submit your paper on the time and be open for any feedback comes your way. It's an opportunity to learn and improve. And lastly, thank you very much for your attention. Now the floor is yours. You can type your any type of questions in the comment, and if I am available, then I will feedback you in this video. Otherwise, you have any serious question or need any help, then you can email us in that infinityresearch.bt@gmail.com. Thank you. In the next video, I will cover up something more challenging and innovative.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with fellow researchers.